Hello engineers, in this video we are going to discuss about the changeover switch or automatic changeover switch, which is also known as the automatic transfer switch, right? These both switch have the same function. Let's suppose if you have two power source with one single load, right? And these two power source you have used with the one single load, and let's suppose if one power source is not available, then your load will be shifted towards the second power source, and vice versa is also true. Got it my points? Now there is the two power source, city power and generator, right? What is the meaning of city power? City power means the electricity which is coming from the electricity board, right? And the second power supply is the generator. It may be generator, it may be inverter, or it may be any another supply. It could be used for the low voltage as well as for the high voltage, right? And you can also use both the switches for the single phase, double phase, triple phase. In the case of the changeover, it is used manually, but in the case of ATS, you can use it manually as well as automatically. I have both the changeover. This one is my single pole changeover, which you can see here simply, and I have also the double pole changeover as well. Okay, I'll just show you the double pole changeover here. In the double pole changeover switch, what we will do here, we will connect our both power supply, main power supply and DC's power supply, and in the output we will connect the load. Got it my point? But the changeover will be same whenever you will do the changeover, whether you are working with a high extension line in LT panel, or if you are using this in your home, the changeover will be manually. Okay, whether you wanna off it, on it, or you wanna simply transfer your load towards the first supply or the second supply, you will do it manually, right? Now here you can see that the first is written here. It means that your load has been shifted towards the first power supply. Now in between it is off, and if I want to transfer my load towards the second power supply, so here you can see that now it is connected with the second power supply. Got it my points? That's how you can use this changeover switch, but it will be used manually. Got it my point? So it was about the changeover switch, right? Now we will discuss about the automatic transfer switch. This is my automatic transfer switch. This is my ATS, and another ATS you can see in the picture. ATS can be operated manually as well as automatically. You can use manually as well as automatically, depends on you, and it is automatic changeover switch or automatic transfer switch, whatever you want to say, you can simply say. Now we will discuss about this ATS, okay, which we have used here. We will simply use this ATS. Here you can see that it is written here first power supply, that is a city power, okay, and I'll show you here. Here my line and neutral will be connect. You can simply say here it is written here line and neutral, okay. So it will be your main power supply or your city power supply, which you can connect here, right? Now your second power supply, it may be generator, it may be your any other power supply, or it may be your, let's suppose as a city power, and there may be another line which is coming that you can use in the second power supply. Got it my points? So that you can use here same as line and neutral. As you have done it, now the load will be connected just below the second power supply. You can simply see here, right? Now from here you can simply do it manually, and manually you can operate it, okay. From here you can do it manually, but if you want to operate it automatically, now let's suppose you want that if there is city power is not there, then your load could be shifted towards the generator, and as your city power comes, then your load could be simply shifted towards the city power. Then how can you do that? You can do that with the help of the ATS. At that time your ATS should be at auto condition. Now you can simply keep your ATS at auto condition from here. Now here is the terminals for the controlling, okay, which you can see here simply. You can do the controlling for your generator as well from here. As your lights goes, okay, so your generator will be automatically start, and as city power comes, so it will be automatically stop. That you can do from the controlling here, okay. The 24 volt which is coming from the batteries, that is in the local panel in your generator, okay, that can be also controlled by the NC and NO of the source A, as well as it can be also controlled by the source B. Got it my point? By which you can simply on or off your DC, right? Now we can simply check it out our ATS. Here you can see that at the line and neutral of the generator, we will make the loop towards the BR and BN, so that as here the light comes, as the supply comes, so what will happen that the BR and BN, with the help of that, your load will be simply goes towards the and shift towards the generator. Here you can simply check it out that as here is the supply I have, here it is blinking. Right now it is towards the generator. Now I'll switch it towards the source A, and as I'll connect it, here you can simply see that it has been shifted towards the source B. Right? Why? Because the supply is there in the source B, and in the city power there is not the supply. Now let's see that as the city power comes, now what will happen that it will automatically goes toward the source A, means now your load is connected with the city power. Same you can do again, as your power comes in the generator, means the city power is not there, so what will happen that it will automatically shift towards the source B, means your load has been connected towards the source B. Got it my point? So that was about the controlling, right? ATS can be used manually as well as automatically, right? In the LT panel you will have seen that there is the manual control switch which we on or off manually. So that's all for the today's video. If you have any doubt in this video, please let me in the comments box. I'll try to give the reply as soon as possible. If you are new in our YouTube channel, you can simply subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon so that you could get the latest notification. Okay, please let me in the comments box the more videos topic which I could cover for you. Okay, so thanks for watching. Till then, keep learning.